Sophia.
Okay, hold on. There you go.
Yeah!
Nice job, buddy!
Okay,
Yay!
hold on.
Hi! You're such a big boy.
Okay, go.
Look at how fast you are, buddy. Hi. Oh, stop. And
Yeah, no. Come on, yeah, just slide the, angle it this way. Angle it this way. Yeah.
you coming back?
There you go.
Hi. Hey, you. Hi. This is what happens when we get tired. His pants are so long. Harper wants his car to go forever and ever. He doesn't want you to turn it around. And then he's fine. He just doesn't want you to have to stop to turn it over. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Are you walking? Just yesterday we started on the carpet, and today we can do the wood floors too. And we can even turn, but now we see the cat. Where'd she go? Let's keep walking. There you go. You gotta turn. Harper, this way. Come this way. There you go. Turn the car. Keep turning. Yeah. You can do it. Good job. Whoa. Keep turning. Why don't you come this way? Oh, we're gonna stop the play. Uh-oh, we might be stuck. Break. And we're back and going. Hi. Hi. What you doing? Say hi to yourself in the mirror or the glass. Hi, self. Why don't you come this way? Harper. Come this way. Turn your car. Come on. This way. You can do it. There you go. You've almost got it. There you go. Uh-oh. Going into the corner. What are you doing? Uh-oh. You're in the corner. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You're gonna come get me? Why don't you come walk this way? Can you go backwards? Oh my goodness. Can you get it out? Wow, good job, buddy. Keep going backwards. Wow! Good job! Yeah! Let's come back this way. Here we go. All right, Harper, say goodbye. Bye-bye. Can you wave? No? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. So funny.